Do you have a correct equipment to discharge your electrical residual voltage before you start your electrical work? Hi, how are you? Me again, K Bala. Today, I'm going to meet you with a new equipment for electrical engineer. Are you working with medium voltage electrical system? Ensure the electrical energy are fully discharged before you do your electrical work. The static discharge rod 35 kV is designed to discharge the stored electrical energy to reduce the electrical shock during the maintenance. 35 kV insulated fiberglass hot stick for safe operation, 10 kilojoule external resistor for safe operation, and we have 5 meter grounding cable with aluminum clamp for secure earthing. This 35 kV discharge rod from Work Italia is ideal for all electrical works such as substation, switch gears, overhead lines, industrial plant, and many more. It also comes with backpack for easy transportation during your maintenance work. Find out more about this static discharge rod 35 kV and use the correct safety equipments for your maintenance work. If you want to learn more and if you have a question, please do call us at UIT at any time.